Hello and welcome to this introductory video for the course MBA ZG 521 on Financial Management. My name is Krishnamurthy Bindumadhavan and I'm an Associate Professor in the area of Management and Finance and also the Group Leader, that is Head of Department for the Management area as part of the off-campus programs. I'm based out of Hyderabad and split my time between our city office and our beautiful campus in Hyderabad from where I'm speaking to you today. In this video, I will be talking a little bit about myself so that you can connect my face and voice with me and also provide an overview of the course. I shall also be talking a little bit about the flipped classroom model, which is the pedagogy that we will be following for this course. Lastly, I will be setting my expectations of you as a student. As I mentioned, my name is Krishnamurthy Bindumadhavan and I'm a CFA charter holder and FRM title holder with over 15 years of experience in the banking and financial services industry. CFA stands for Chartered Financial Analyst and FRM stands for Financial Risk Manager. These are preeminent designations in the area of finance that are recognized globally. I also hold an undergraduate degree in engineering and an MBA. I have spent about 8 years with Capital One, a top 10 US bank based out of Richmond, Virginia. I've also worked in some of the top financial capitals of the world, such as Hong Kong and Singapore. In addition to working for banks, I've also worked as a financial consultant, entrepreneur, and teacher. I'm very passionate about teaching, and I joined BITS Pilani in December of 2014. I'm very excited to share my experience and learnings with students like you. In addition to covering the relevant theory, I will also be drawing upon my extensive global experience to provide you with a clear-cut perspective on the practical elements of financial decision making. Ultimately, what counts in industry is not how much theory you know, but whether you are able to apply that knowledge to make effective business decisions. That is what will get you your promotions and recognition. That is what will help you to stand out as a leader, and that will be the focus of this course. As you are aware, this course is an integral part of the set of 7 management courses that are designed to help you build a sound foundation in management principles and concepts. This is very important not only for successful completion of subsequent coursework, but also for your ultimate career success. My goal is not to dump everything and anything that I know about finance, but rather to help you build a strong foundation in the basic concepts relating to finance and financial management. You will learn the language of finance so that you can interact effectively with the finance professionals in your organization. We'll also talk about some of the basic building blocks in finance, such as time value of money and financial statements analysis. We'll look at how a company like Intel makes a decision whether to set up a plant in China or not, and how to build the capital budget and put together the finance for setting up that plant. We'll also learn about how to manage the day-to-day financial aspects of running a firm, such as extending credit to customers or taking a loan from a bank. So essentially, time value of money speaks to the cost for renting money or the return from renting money. Is very important and critical for us to value any kind of financial security. As I mentioned before, this class will be run in the flipped mode, wherein we will be using a combination of pre-recorded classes as well as live classes to make the learning more effective. Essentially, the basic concepts will be pre-recorded and you are expected to play through those recordings before the actual class. And in the classroom, we will spend our time more effectively to apply that conceptual understanding to solve real-world problems, as well as look at some maybe difficult problems, difficult situations, case studies, simulations, and maybe some financial modeling, so that you will learn how the finance professional actually applies the knowledge base to solve real-world business problems, thereby enhancing the level of learning. So that is the basic motivation and idea behind the flipped classroom. But for the flipped model to succeed, we need you to play a more active role in the learning process. I will give my 100% to this course with the objective of ensuring that your learning is maximized and we are able to achieve the course objectives and learning outcomes which I have outlined in more detail in the course handout. My expectation is that you will also participate and give your 100% to the course so that we can together achieve the objectives. I fully expect you to replay all pre-recorded sessions and to attend all live classes without fail. In case you need to miss a live class for some reason, then I expect you to replay the recorded session before the next class. But that is not good enough. I need you to work through all the class assignments as well as homework assignments so that you are able to learn how to apply the conceptual understanding to solve real-world business problems. Only then will you be able to say to yourself that yes, I truly understand finance, and that is what I expect from each and every student who passes out of my course. I look forward to interacting with you and facilitating the learning process. Come, join me in this unique journey of learning and discovering what finance is all about.